Hey there, tech lovers. Welcome back to the Wisdom Headquarter. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the Samsung 43-inch CU8500 4K UHD Smart TV 2023. Air Slim design TV with center stand and voice control built in. 4K crystal processor, one of the best-selling TVs in its category. With crystal UHD 4K resolution, HDR support, voice control and adaptive sound, this TV promises a premium viewing experience. But does it deliver? Let's break it down. The Samsung 43-inch CU8500 4K UHD Smart TV 2023 is packed with features that make it a serious contender in the budget 4K TV space. First up, the Crystal UHD processor with 1.07 billion color display offers incredible clarity and vibrant colors, thanks to per-color technology. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing games, the 4K resolution combined with HDR makes every scene pop with detail. But the experience doesn't stop there. The CU8500 4K UHD Smart TV is also equipped with Q Symphony sound, which syncs with compatible Samsung soundbars for a more immersive audio experience. Let's talk about how this TV performs in real life. According to many users on Amazon and Google, the CU8500 4K UHD Smart TV delivers stunning picture quality that's hard to beat at this price point. Users also love the sleek design. It's ultra-thin with minimal bezels, making it a perfect fit for any modern living room. Also, access to unlimited entertainment through the Samsung Smart TV Hub and cloud gaming makes it a great choice. So, is the Samsung CU8500 4K UHD Smart TV the right TV for you? Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons. First, pros. 1. Stunning 4K Crystal Ultra HD resolution with HDR support for vibrant, detailed visuals. 2. Adaptive sound light for automatically optimized audio. 3. Per-color technology enhances color accuracy and vibrancy. 4. Sleek, modern design with thin bezels. 5. Alexa and voice control compatible. 6. It has multi-view technology for multiple screens at once. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Consider following drawbacks as reported by users in their feedback. 1. Built-in sound could be improved. Consider adding a soundbar. 2. Occasional lag in the smart interface when switching apps. 3. Limited HDMI ports for multiple device connections. Overall, the Samsung CU8500 4K UHD Smart TV is a fantastic choice if you're looking to upgrade to 4K with 1.07 billion display colors without spending a fortune. It's perfect for everyday viewing, gaming, and even hosting movie nights. If you want crystal clear visuals and smart features in a stylish package, this TV could be the one for you. Ready to make the leap? Check the link in the description to get yours today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.